Okay, here we're ready. Yes, slightly early, but that's fine. So camera, and let's see. So I did a little bit of work off camera, which is just adding a few sounds. Hey Diane, how you doing? How's your secret project going? Oh yeah, the coin, the canvas layer coin. I didn't stream that much this week. Or did I forget creating a table? Great. That's cool then. Here I want to make a few adjustments because I think we're going toward the finish line here. I'm kind of getting tired of this project. Yeah. So we're starting the finishing. Today you have progressed a lot, more based on design but also mechanics. Now you're looking for how you could do some energy effects. Oh, interesting. Do you mean like particles? Particles / shaders? We have this pack money. That's dumb. Well, not really. I know, pack monkey, whoa. I'm tired about this project and the end. Well, there's no end. Like, that's kind of the point of it. I mean, there is. I did, actually. I did manage to finish it. To reach the 50s. Wait. Shaders, maybe visual effects. Show me. Alright, let's see. Can I find this? Yes, there it is. I reached it. Round 50 with 8,000 money left and 44 lives. But yeah. Here, what I want to do basically. The first one, that's it. Well, yeah, I mean, that's not a super complicated game. It's not meant to have a huge story and stuff. It's not meant to be like this. You can say that even BD6 or BD125 there's no end, so it's gonna get. Yeah, that's the thing. It's just a remastered version of the game with a little bit of fun on top of it. So here, create a menu button. And I'll be moving the time control button. Then your next project? Oh, I don't know. Oh, actually, maybe I do know. I have a prototype for a C# project. And yeah, basically, let's look at this very quickly. Just want to make sure that it is back to normal. Let's start as clicker. Oh no, I don't want. Which is like going back to basics for making videos, but with C#, right? So basically, this is a clicker that generates stardust. Oh, and it looks like yes. I was going with 64 by default, I think. So yeah, even 64 is a lot. A remastered version of the Stardust? Maybe. I'm checking if that works, but yeah. Like when you click, generates... Wow, what's that? I feel like there's way much more than what it should be. Or maybe I just didn't press enter. Maybe that's the thing. Yeah, I didn't press enter. And as you level it up, it generates more things. And then as you may have like passive generators, like they could be generating things like, I don't know, making some movements like this, which are automatic. And then you would have like a kind of visual thing happening here. And the point of this is actually to make it in C#, right? So it is a C# tutorial and not just a gdscript tutorial. But it can be easily translated to gdscript, I think. But yeah, anyway, that could be the next thing. Not so sure about that. So this user interface, I will change the chilling button here. And I will make this a... Let's see, user interface. Main panel, speed button. Yes, so here we have margin. Oh, why do you vibrate? Yeah, not important. For a game like Stardew Valley, I don't want to say I did. Oh yeah, 613, that a teensy flavor of it, but very, very small. I don't know, but I don't feel so comfortable with my players. It's not really something that I do like very much. That 3D project with grapes. It is. The thing is with this project is that the game design part. I mean, the game. I want to say that it didn't pass the game design document session. Like, it's quite complicated to make something out of it. Maybe 60. Nah, that's too much. 56. Oh, wait a second. Why is that becoming smaller? Oh, probably because it was just too big. No, it's... Okay. Okay. Probably like this. But yeah, I don't really know where we're going next. I will see. I will see. Maybe a cog, but with a... whatever color this is. This color. We said 40 pixels. and the color. Maybe I could use modulate. You need to use codes for shaders? Yes, it is a different language. I never looked into it, but basically shaders use a different coding language. Yeah, it works very differently, in the sense that from what I understood, you can't make variables. But I didn't look too much into it. Why? Because basically it's using a... It is GPU, right? It is the difference between CPU and GPU. And shaders are using GPU programming. And they work differently. That's all I know. I could be wrong, I have very low knowledge in this area. GPU programming? Well, kind of. I mean, it is... So you mean my GPU has a language program? Kind of. Kind of, yeah. The thing is that, for example, when we use textures, sprites, etc., it's kind of handled by the engine and framework. But when you want to make a shader, you kind of have to make a custom one. Like, if you go just like Godot first shader tutorial, your first 2D shader. Da-da-da-da-da. Where do they talk about it? What are shaders? Shading language. Yeah. Godot uses a shading language similar to GLSL. Yeah, so, well, you kind of use variables as well, but it's different. It's very different. Void fragments. This is not C++, C#. Nah. There are some keywords which are probably very similar, but it's much more mathematic based. Yes, like the CPU programming sort of is much more instruction based, while GPU programming is much more mathematic based. You're going with the visual one for this? Yeah, there is visual scripting as well. But yet again, there's the I often come back to this, but Wes, yes, Freya Homer. She made something about shaders. It's not Godot specific, so I don't know if it's really usable. But yeah, shader basics. I think she explains it very well in this stream. Here, it's kind of well explained. Like, I didn't learn how to make them, but it helped understanding how they work and why they're so different than the usual thing we do. Because it's like the first step, right? You have to understand the logic behind it before you can actually make them. Okay, so here Input event toggle menu. Open menu. Can we grab this button? Menu button. I think I will just find this. So okay. Just want to open menu actually. Oh, function maybe? And I forgot connect. Let's see. This is eventually something I will do one of these days. So technically I should have new sound with the augments. I want to check that they're right. Oh, and we can speed up now. I could lower this slightly. Sorry. And get the music down slightly. Because I wanna hear that specifically. Because I have added augment SFX and I think they're good. God bless you. No, that wasn't a sneeze, that was a cough. God bless you. More like this. Ugh! The speed up, please. Is there a way to make the buttons look more like this? Huh, interesting. What an animation for the attack, right? You made it. I'd say yes. Basically, Elf had the idea of having the center part of the attack rotate. So I made it rotate. And then I actually had the idea to make the cannons rotate in the other direction. So, yeah. But yeah, he gave me the textures, then it's just a question of... No, absolutely not. Absolutely no animation player. We can look into it. We can look into it. Let's see. Tac. Tac turret. Okay, so we have body, we have cannons. Right? So body and just the cannons. And then it's a twin as far as I know. Fire animation. Oh yes. I forgot that the cannons do kind of... they do like... scale. But yes. And then we have a rotation. of both the body and the cannons. Why the nodes are yellow? Basically because the attack turret scene here is inherited from the turret scene. Turrets. Right there. So we have this scene which has a kind of default stuff in it. So then you create a new scene, which is inherited scene, right? So you go pick the turret in there, and then what is yellow is what's part of the other one. And you can add things, change things slightly in some manners, and it allows to create inheritance with scenes. It's kind of cool. So it is really useful to basically have all the turrets have common behavior, which is in this turret thing here. Let's see, what did I do? Create a menu button and move the time control button. So I'm gonna do that, but quickly I'll be right back. Forgot to unmute. Yeah. I was saying, yeah, I was basically reading. So yeah, you have the test, of course. This evening we will be playing a game, actually. I didn't link it to Discord, I should do that. And you have fun with your test, I think. Can we say fun? Copy pasting. There we go. What game? I will be playing Storage Hunter. We will be guessing on the money and stuff. Should I ping again? Yes, let's ping again. My brother is getting me into these kind of games, and yeah. But yeah, anyway. I'm stretching. Oh, also, now that we are kind of chilling, I will be adding a different sound setting. Nice, have fun. Yeah, well, thank you, and I'll see you later. You work well on both your exams and secret project. I will be trying to finish this game. Should be easy. We have a lot of time to finish that. You're welcome, I think. Polishing, I mean, add a UI slash, add another sound settings. Move the time control button. Move the time control button. Oh, it is a V-box? So I will have to H-box this. Okay, so speed button. And I'll put the margin for the menu button. And then slightly more settings for... Wait, do I have to create a control? I think so. Let me go back to this view. I could try to replicate this actually. Like a panel container. Oh, I just have the button under it. Be cool. So here. There's no minimum size. Right here, 64 and button flat. Where's the button? It's flat. Okay. Maybe it's fine. Yeah, I think so. And at the same time, speed button here. I'm gonna add a script. Speed button. Oh no, that's wrong. Speed button margin. Weird script name. So the speed button should be related to the secret setting. Oh, it is kind of in a way. Eventually I could get rid of the margin on the right. Yeah, I actually want different kind of ambience. So let's see. Let's go with some vampire and yeah, it's slightly better. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna rename the secret setting. It's not gonna be super secret setting, but disable secret setting. SSS confirmation. Necessarily. Escape menu. Label 2. And there's a here. Yes. This is fine. Now, I actually want to create a different sound bus, I think. Yes, here add bus. So this is going to be master, and this is going to be UI. Okay, UI. Why do I have master here? Interesting. But the thing is that in my sounds, I should be able to say what is from what. Bus master, yeah. So here UI, bus UI. Okay. And in the settings, just getting back this. In the settings, we should be able to change to add. Yes, to change this bus volume by adding another slider. Okay, so escape menu. Play it. Down volume. Now let's rename that. SFX volume. And eventually I can duplicate this. Oh. Doesn't work very well. Okay. So here we have SFX label, SFX slider. And is that problem the name? I hope not. And eventually I can duplicate this guys with UI label and UI slider. I will probably just copy this guy. Volume slider. UI volume slider. And I just have to change the bus to 1. Let's see. Uh-huh. Looks like I forgot something. Interface volume. Let's try like this. Well, the thing is that it kind of looks like the UI is also slightly lower. Is it because Okay, maybe this relies on the main. So if I do lower the main, it changes this second bus. So here, what if I create an SFX bar? SFX. I change the index to number 2 here. And I change my sound effects to SFX. Okay, let's try this way. Okay, yeah, that's kind of what I was expecting. Exactly what I was expecting. Okay, cool. However, there's something that seems slightly odd, and that's the difference in the pitch scale. I feel like it doesn't feel so different. Like every pop sound, yeah, they feel exactly the same. Even if streams paused, is that true? Maybe I want to check that the sound isn't running. Methods is playing. Boolean playing. Okay. So yeah, we could have this slightly higher. Maybe, yes, do the same here. So if not up, yeah, let's see what this sounds like now. Maybe when we click on this, we want to have the sound. Yeah, it feels kind of off, but I don't know. What if we put it back to what it was? We do remove this check. But we do increase the maximum polyphony. But the thing is that this tends to increase the volume, I think. Let's try this way. Put that slightly lower. Dot speed. Increase attack speed of dots tower. Yeah. I want the attack rates very soon. Money or greed? Well, greed, obviously. Piercing, Mind Frost, money. Frost is cool. I think I'll pick Mind Frost. Is it possible to put 2 attack here? Why is number 4 not as bright? I don't know. Bigger dots? Yes, bigger dots. Oh, we can put 2 here. That's good to know. I think it's the time speed which is creating a lot of weird noise. I don't know. Oh, we have money or lives? Money. I just remembered that I noticed a bug, if we can say that's a bug. The missiles are sometimes showing under other objects. Dot speed? Yes, dot speed. Even though... Right now, I think I will try to make a screenshot. Because I made one, but I thought that selecting the turret was useful, but not really. Okay, so now I need to add a few missiles. Money. Oh, mine a chain. This one's good. Let's put a few monkeys around. Yes, minor range. Seems good. Okay. Let's grab a capture. We'll get a few screenshots. So that I can choose from later on. Mm-hmm. I think I have enough. Did we actually finish the game? Alright, let's finish the game once. Yeah, or maybe let's lose actually. Oh, yeah. Let's heal. Let's heal and spawn a super monkey as soon as we can. I don't think that's gonna be enough. Yeah. Actually, it's okay. Whoa. Minor range, medipack, Charlie medpack. Yeah, I'm gonna mute this pop sound because they're way too obnoxious. It's kinda chill without them. Piercing, medpack, maybe piercing actually. And we got it. Eventually having a finished screen could be cool. How to do that? I want to fix a few things. Okay, let's see. Move time control button. We're good with that. Another sun setting. That's cool. First thing, fix the time button color. Add a victory screen. Okay, let's see if we can fix this time color button. Time button color. Alright. Let's go back to speed button. That's wrong. Oh, probably because of the button behavior. Like theme overrides colors. Fonts. I do have font normal. Font color. Yes, there we go. I think we're good. That can be it. We probably need a closing button in our escape menu. Or like an accept button, maybe. Oh, there's also accept button menu. And a sound effect when opening menu from button. Okay. The menu button. Yeah, this guy. Okay, we have this. And escape menu. And add a container. Oh, that's a lot. Yeah, let's add a theme. Panel theme. Oh. It's kind of weird, but okay. I will allow it. Yeah, close. Confirm. Confirm. So theme overrides, color, font color, white. Okay. Now we just need to bind this. Okay. Let's make this not focusable. None. And same thing for the opening button. I really hate that buttons can be focused by default. But yeah, that's kind of part of it, I guess. It's good on you. Front button. Okay. Yeah, let's try this menu a little bit. Okay, we confirm. Eventually a bit of space here could be useful. Eventually having all the buttons have the same design, because I kind of have created different buttons now. So yeah, I'm gonna add this. Okay, other thing. There's a polishing. Make all buttons the same. Prevent way from starting. If the game is closed. So, right. Probably in the balloon path. Where do we actually use space? Input map. Space? Probably look in the files for space. Find. Okay, that like this. Right here. Post toggles. I want to try. Okay, so. Okay. Okay, looks like it's good. Looks like it's good. Make all buttons look the same. Yeah. So here we have the two confirm buttons. What if we add a panel container? Twice. Okay, make the buttons flat. And give the texture. Or the style, actually. And we override the color. Looks like quite easy to make. I hope it will work for every button. Start wave and cell. I'm gonna add something. Change the first flavor text. To space int. I'll get it. I can actually make this right now. Wave number 1. Let's make this bold. To drag attention. Yes, it kind of works. Kinda works. Driven away from starting if the game is paused. We're good there. Make all buttons look the same. Right panel. Okay, we have the wave buttons, so here again we're gonna add a panel container. Font color. Oh, you're back. Wait, you were gone. Or oh, are you done with your work? You're doing some past, so you will always be some. Okay. Oh, past that. Okay. I will have to consider getting a break also between my 2 streams. Purchase info, probably not. Here, right here. Let's add the panel containers. Those are actually expensive button styling. In a sense, because we do. Oh, whoa. Oh, is it because they are stretching? Quick, better to use a pixel effect for a lighting effect or a vector one? Or a drawing? Oh, I don't know. This time that is not pixelated. Wait, what is the question again? Oh, well, if the game is pixelated, then you probably want a lightning pixelated effect. That would make sense, I think. You want to make a lightning effect, but you don't know if you want something that is not pixelated, you need shaders. If it is not pixelated, you can animate it. It's probably, in your situation, I think it's probably easier to like make a pixelated lightning effect, which is just a sprite, or, you know, kind of things like this. That would be animated. It would be harder to animate a sphere pixel. Oh, maybe, oh, you mean lightning effects that covers an object. Oh, yeah, if you do that, you need a shader. So a shader, yes, shader. Well, the thing is that from what I've seen, Elf didn't. He doesn't do his own shader. He go finds shader online, and at first it's probably the best way to go with because you don't have to actually know how to make them. They are already made. It's like taking a code snippet, sort of. In the past, you needed to deal with tween, now it's shader. Yeah, I still didn't use shaders, so. You need to make one, no excuse. Okay, so now the game should be slightly more harmonized. Oh, I want this button to be bigger as well. Oh, it looks different. Maybe they should have a slightly different color. Like they could have an in between. Yeah, let's see. Make all buttons look the same. Well, they do look the same. Add a victory screen. Oh, this one's important, I think. Would be kind of reproducing the game over screen. Game over screen, which has a button to change. Hmm. Okay. I will be right back shortly, and I'm gonna take care of this game over button. There I am. Not forgetting to unmute the microphone. So game over screen. Yep. The same thing. A panel container in the panel container. Interesting. So what if I create a new one? Actually, minus time. Like this, like just a tad. Okay, save this guy. Save as. I want to say button panel. Yuck. I probably don't need to do that, but it's too late. It's too late. So let's change this confirm button. Oh wait, it's here. Okay. Oh, it's kind of tedious, not gonna lie. But it looks better, so I will go with it. And here we have 3. Talking about pasta, you got me hungry too. You should be ashamed of yourself. Okay. Starting. And victory panel. Okay, so we have game over. What if we duplicate game over? And that's victory. This one would say play again. What's that? Okay. Maybe a vertical box. This? Yeah. And center vertical box. You're back. Well, you should know you got me hungry. Hungry. So, you big bad. Oh, I hear that's the annoying music. I'm gonna skip this one. Which time is it? Oh, you know what? Let's skip to the next. Let's go. Oh, did I? Okay. So, font size, I guess. Okay, maybe not that much. No, no ban. No, I'm not gonna ban you so far. And yeah, there's just too many accounts to ban. Yeah. Hungriness. Make this center. Have a word wrap. Yes, I'm gonna add a minimum. And probably a margin as well. Okay, so that's the body. And eventually I can now add a little bit of space. Sometimes it feels... feels like... yeah. You make it ending right now? Oh no, I mean that... it's just missing. Because... the... otherwise it's just like... saying... there are no more waves. But you can't... do anything about it. So instead I want to have this. I'm just gonna see what's in this static void voiceover. Why am I using that? Okay, same. Same what? Be right back. Okay. Thing is that you'll no longer be right back. Uh-huh. Indeed, there's no ease over. I don't know why ease over is important. Maybe I should search for it. Beat scale. Yeah, I'm gonna make it. Just in case. We never know. Now we just need to make sure that we do complete the game. So probably in balloon path. Okay. Initiate wave. Close wave. Wave source, blah 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 blah. But is that at if wave 50? I don't know. How do I make sure that's correct? Wave completed plus equal 1. Something like if wave completed. I don't know. No, it's completed wave. Oh no. Completed waves is equal to 49. Game over true. And return. Is that a thing? Game over function? Now I need to finish the game and win to make sure that this is correct. So tedious. So tedious. I'm so gonna cheat. I don't want to do that really. Oh! Okay, both a random upgrade. This should be the upgrade wave. Yep. The money upgrade can be quite interesting to get Cyber Monkey quite fast. Can I get that? No. Also, I have to get rid of all the prints. Oh, minus Shane. Yeah, let's buy this Cyber Monkey. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. We broke that. Oh, because that's the bottom that expands and not the panel container. Yep. That's an easy fix. I guess so. Grid dot speed grid. Oh, grid again? Let's go. Other way. Snipe. That's cool. That's it. Can we lose with that? Actually, maybe. Oh, yes we can. Yes we can. Oh no, don't tell me I'm gonna lose. There's so many of them. This is losable. Yeah. There's just so many prints. I really want to move them. I really gotta play this again. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna add infinite lives at this point. Just to make sure. And this is for that game jam 1 month. What do you mean? Like, we have 1 week still. But I'm kind of exhausted of having like this. Wish you pasted the link a couple days ago. Huh. Oh, I need to fix that. Let me add a card. Got a game jam for 1 March to... Yes. This is... What do you mean by... I mean, I don't get what you mean, basically. And this is for that game jam. Yes, it is. I mean, it's quite in the titles. Great. Well, what are you doing this project? Not for the game jam. Are you questioning the why I choose to make that? I don't know if that yes arrived after I asked the question or not. I'm gonna say yes. Basically... No, so this game you make is for... Oh yes, it is for the game jam. Definitely. That's okay, cool. I just have to cheat because I can't win at my own game. That's kinda interesting. But I need Snipe. And Pierce. Yeah, Pierce is important as well. Big Godot's cool. What is M? Missile? That's missile. C is Cyber Monkey. It's the one in the middle here. You have rockets? I do. That was Alfion's request. To have rockets. When will you do a pentagon? Probably never. Wow, that's a crappy choice. Money again, I guess. This is your request? Well, technically, you could be doing the request if you were making the assets and stuff. And it has to fit with the game. What is with those arguments? Your game, your rules? Exactly. Elf had to learn this the hard way. Why do they have to come at the same time? Grr. I forgot that the black balloons are immune to this. Bigger dots, bigger dots. Dot speed, money, money. Minor Frost, Minor Frost. Those missiles are too big. Did I really lose to Red Balloon? Kind of. Okay, we should reach the end now. Oh, what a choice! Medpack, medpack, or medpack? So it is actually alright, except that the wave completion must occur earlier in that case. So let's open the world here, have those two things. And there we go. Oh, stretching. Yeah, that's checked in a sense. So what are the cards? Yes, buttons are the same. Fix the Cybermonkey upgrade panels and add a victory screen. The Cybermonkey. I have to go in there. Where is that? Yes. So it is upgrade 2. Got get parents now. Let's see. Yay! So I guess we can check that as done. I'm gonna make a version save. And I'm so hungry, I can't believe that. Oh, I think there will be, yes. I'm gonna stop here. Do I actually have other things to do? Because I have nothing listed. Oh, where am I? Admins update. Yeah, I'm so wrong in my versions. That's kind of crazy. There's a lot of stuff in there. Maybe I can give a little sound when we finish the game. Yeah, I don't know. I'll put that in a to-do things eventually. But in the meantime, I could be playing another one, like one I already have. So sounds. What do we have? 3. Yeah, we're gonna pick this one. At the moment. Done, your pasta are done. Yeah, well, I wish mine were done too. You preload the sound? For the UI, yes. It is indeed not specifically necessary. Don't you use an audio stream player? I do. But is that like a way to... Oh, I don't know. Like, are you supposed to make a playlist and pick from the playlist? No, I don't think so. But I just switched the sound basically in the thing. Yes, I don't know either. I'm not a sound expert. Definitely not. So anyway, user interface victory. There we go. So I think I will be exporting this. And I'll try to not export it with debug. We'll see what this does. I hope that's cool. You can play this game in a few minutes. Do you think I should disable the cheat? Like pressing the S key 3 times to get 5,000 gold? There's a problem loading your project. Oh yeah, did I forget to? Yeah, I did. After you beat the game, no cheese play fair. Okay, so, well, it's gonna be here at the moment, but I will remove it later. After you beat the game, yes? Oh, I don't know. That means saving? Do I want to do saving? The answer is probably no. Ah. Alright, and I want to update this thing as well. Like, it's too small, it feels off. You might want to play with the secret setting on, of course. Why? Because if you don't, you are missing on augments and speed. Like, without a secret setting, it's just a normal game, but kind of impossible to finish. Why do you miss something? What do you mean? What are you missing? Oh, you mean what regarding what I said? The augments only show in the secret setting. You will do the impossible, like finish the game without speed up and no augments? No augments? I mean, if someone can finish that, okay. Just for the record, I'm gonna do something right now, important. I will remove the cheat right now. I will remove the cheat right now. Okay, let's see. Okay, the cheat is removed. So I'm gonna export again without the cheats. And if you manage to screenshot... Well, the thing is, how can we know that the game is augmented or not? Huh. Okay, I'm gonna add that on the victory screen. I'm gonna add that on the victory screen. Alright. This way, if you win without the SSS activated, you have a hardcore victory. I hope it shows. I really hope it shows. Or maybe there's a way to test this real quick. Let's test. Did I reset the waves? Oh yes, I resetted the wave somewhere. Yeah. How many waves are 50? Oh no, that wasn't the plan. Oh my god, it's gonna be terrible. The sound's gonna be awful. That's a hell of a wave. hardcore victory. So this way, if you do finish the game, you will be able to screenshot the hardcore victory. But wait, it's not exported yet. There's just one thing I want to do. Yes, sounds. The bank will add 800 polyphony. Tell me when I can play. Very soon. I hope I didn't break something. Okay. Can I actually make another export? Like a Windows desktop export? Oh no, I don't have the tools. Okay, so no. But anyway, in the future, I will add a possibility to download the game so that you have the desktop version, which should be more stable and better. Alright. Upload file, web. Save. So technically it's supposed to be saved. You should have the newest version if you refresh. Okay. Good. Alright. You were at 12 with 40 lives. Oh, you're so not ready. You're so not ready. Final victory sound. Update the SSS chat texture. Mob coming? No, no mob. But the flavor text should get you to understand what's coming to you if you have a kind of, I would say, recursion logic. Because it is way harder than the original game, and I think that a simple setting changed can make it almost impossible. LED? Camo plus LED. What is that? Type of balloon. Oh yeah, there's the metal balloon. I've seen that in the number 2 or 3, I think. But no, it's just like exactly the same thing, except that there's one number that is changed, and that makes it almost impossible. But yeah, anyway. The music is fitting for me to disappear and actually transition slightly toward the end of the stream. If you want to play the desktop version of the game, I think you can probably try to go get the clone the game and play it from Godot. Oh no, I forgot it. Yes, I'm gonna push, and eventually I will link the... Oh. I will link the GitHub. Tell me I'm connected. Yes. Bloons project. So you can clone this if you want the PC version. And that's it for me. I will be back in 2 hours for the other stream. Let's see. Is it here? Yes, it's here. Exactly. I will be back in 2 hours. I will not have the hair, sorry. But yeah. Until then, I will be eating something. And I will see you guys later. You take care and you work on your project and do your things. That's good.